Alright, time is 12:16 and good afternoon everyone. Hope you all are doing good. I'm doing good as well. I'm not sure whether my microphone is set up in proper position. What the fuck I'm doing? I should go on the other side of the road. Anyway, so freaking crap. Alright. So I gotta take the other lane, like this lane. So I gotta turn. But anyway, the thing that I wanted to talk about today is basically the reason why I hate Dhaka so much. So even though the Dhaka is a capital and a more advanced city, well-developed city, but still I don't like Dhaka too much. Well, technically you can see the reason. I can literally ride motorbikes anywhere, anyhow. So basically there is no traffic in outside of the Dhaka, the place that where I'm living. You can accelerate and decelerate just like this. Just like this. Just like this, simple as it is. But in Dhaka, you can do it barely. Like, I'm not sure when is the last time, like a few years back, I used to live in Dhaka, and if I ever could do it or not, I literally have no idea. I cannot remember. But here, you can see, I can literally do everything. Police, and he doesn't have any helmet. And I don't know, maybe, but he just came out of the service center, so I believe that he just wanted to test the performance. That's how he should not do it. If police do not wear a helmet, why will the local civilian will wear? Anyway, let's go. Okay, I let everyone pass. Shoo! Alright. Well, technically the reason that I'm out here is ninja, that was crazy. Holy shit. Shit. It was good. It was really good.
কথা কি ক্লিয়ার না ভেজাল আছে?
But anyway, right now what I'm doing is I'm trying to go to a place on my friend's showroom just to hang out, because this is Ramadan, so I'm fasting, so I literally don't have anything to do at my home other than watching videos, and the videos actually tend to take me to the bad sides. So what I try to do is I plan to go to his showroom and gossip a little bit. Hopefully, oh fuck, I'm not sure, where is my microphone? Alright, I think everything is really cool, pretty neat. Woo! Fresh extra, just like this. Shit! Why do we do that? Wait, let me go in front of you. When we were younger, like child, we used to go there almost every single week or every single day to hang out. I'm gonna show you the road right now. So let's go. Not sure. This is how we do. This is the road. But we did not used to sit here exactly. I'll show you where we used to sit. Stupid piece of shit, you cannot overtake like that. Son of a bitch. Woo. Should I cross? Should I cross? Should I cross? No. Can I see? Can I see? Yeah, no. Or there is a cool. So this is the place we used to come here almost every day. I mean, not every day maybe, but let me pause the bike here for a second. And holy shit, what the fuck was that? Okay. So we used to came here to be relaxed. This is a train line, and you can see there's almost no one, and we used to sit here for a while and like gossip and having some snacks or drinks, something like that, and then we used to go back once again. But you cannot expect a typical city people, like city kids, do those things, like going places like this. It's technically, you know what, like in Japan, this is considered as dangerous place not to be, but in our country when we were kids we used to do like this. We used to go like this. Whew, a lot of memories. Let's go. My friend is waiting, so gotta meet him. Which way should I take? City way. But anyway, the thing that I'm saying is the reason that I don't like Dhaka too much. It's basically because of this. Because in here, you can ride motorbike freely. You can go anywhere without any, challenges or difficulties. Because the roads are pretty much clean. There is no traffic at all. Piece of shit. Do not stop here, you moron. That's the crossing. But anyway, the thing that I'm saying is Dhaka is one of the most dense city in the world. So like bike riding is a fucking challenge. You cannot ride bike freely and you cannot enjoy at all. So to enjoy the bike riding, you have to come to the village side, the rural countryside, like this. Corner. Okay. In this road, and I rode millions of times here just like this. So I'm familiar. I know each and everything. Alright. I'm 3 kilometers or 4 kilometers away from the city. She's holding a glass. Okay. You cannot rash ride every single time. You gotta be a little bit careful. Corner, good corner. Don't cross. Piece of shit, you did. But anyway, you did great. Thank you so much. But anyway, the thing that I'm saying that if I were in Dhaka, I never could be ride like this. Never ride like this. Oh, kids. Okay. Good, thanks. But anyway, so that's why I don't like Dhaka at all. Piece of shit. Speed break. Anyway. Oh crap. Anyway, this is not Dhaka at all. Nope, nope, nope. You pass. That fucking guy cannot even hold his bike properly. People should not ride motorbikes unless or until he have the courage to do it. It will only bring accident and that's it. Ah, piece of shit. Alright. This is nothing. It's cool. Ah, this truck is blocking my way. Don't like it. Don't like it at all. Get out, truck. Get out. Get out. Get out, truck. Get out. Go. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Ah, I almost reached my friend's showroom. So I'll be turning off my camera. Maybe see you again after a while. Then we can talk. My friend is washing his bike. My friend is washing his bike. He's a piece of shit.